Meaning of flattery.
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 Flattery. Flattery is the act of complimenting or praising someone excessively, often insincerely, in order to win favor or gain something in return. It may involve using false or exaggerated statements to manipulate the other person's opinion or behavior. While flattery can be effective in achieving short-term goals, it often lacks authenticity and can damage relationships in the long run. Ultimately, flattery is a form of manipulation that sacrifices honesty and integrity for personal gain. It is important to approach compliments and praise with sincerity and moderation to build genuine connections with others.